Hi, this is Brody Carpenter at the Curry Public Library. I'm the Tech Lab Coordinator, and today I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to access Library2Go from the Curry Public Library website. You may be asking, what is Library2Go? The short answer to that is Library2Go is a digital catalog that hosts audiobooks and eBooks, and with your library card, you have access to both of these. So, to get there from our website, first of all, you need to go to our website. So open your web browser, and in the search bar at the top, type in Curry Public Library.net, all one word, and hit enter. This will take us to our landing page, and in the top here are these headers. We're looking for the Books, Movie, and Music tab, and you want to scroll down and click on the digital button. Now this drops us into our Library2Go portal. On the left we have audiobook portal, and on the right we have the ebook portal. For now, let's click on the audiobooks portal. This takes us to the Library2Go website. Okay, already you can see many titles here that are listed, but really to get full access to this, let's sign in. So top right hand corner here, we'll click the green sign in button. We'll need to search our library if it's not popping autofilling. So you just click that, start typing Curry Public Library, and select us. Here, we'll add our full library card number. And in the PIN number, it'll be the last 6 digits of your library card. And then hit enter, or sign in. Okay, now that we're signed in, we have full run of the Library2Go site. So, if you want to search for a genre, we go to the subject tab, and we have genres. If you don't see what you're looking for, hit the more button. And we got a ton of different genres here. To select by that, you can also sort by, in the search bar here, just search author or title, if you already know what you're looking for. Let's say you find a book you're interested in, and we'll click on one. Here we can listen to a sample to hear what the narrator sounds like. And then if we want that book as an audio file, we can go ahead and hit the borrow button. It'll ask for how many days. We have a 7, 14, 21, and we'll just keep that there. And we'll hit the borrow button, and it'll drop us into one more link. We can listen now in browser. If you're just at home, you have your speakers on, you just want to start listening to the book, or you can download it as an MP3 audiobook to add to your phone, your tablet, MP3 player, and take with you on the go. Okay. We'll go back. Essentially, you can search here, find the books that you'd like to listen to, and check them out and start listening. We're going to go back to our Library2Go portal on our Curry Public Library website and select the eBooks portal now. It looks exactly the same, except now, instead of audiobooks, we're browsing actual ebooks that you will read on your screen. So let's say we like the looks of this one here. Okay, click on it. We can read a sample. Just like reading the front cover, front flap of an actual book. Oh, come on. Well, that's not giving me much, is it? Let's go back. See if your sample is any more. That's interesting. Anyhow, that'll give you a sample there. Then we'll go ahead and click if you want to read that book. And again, have 7, 14, 21 days. And you hit the borrow button, and you have that book to start reading. Okay, very simple. It looks almost identical to the audiobooks area. Again, the subject tab here is basically the genres if you're just browsing for a genre rather than author or title. And yeah, I hope this helped you guys out and maybe even showed you something new that you didn't know you had access to. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the Curry Public Library or come by and stop in and say hi. We are open now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, noon to 6, Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, noon to 5. We'd love to see you. Gets a little quiet around here. All right, well, I'll see you soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye.